Alright, these are the elevators here at Liverpool, Plaza Cumbres in Monterrey, Mexico. These are Otis Gen2 from 2009. Now, I do remember filming these back in 2015. And so this time I just decided to do a much better take. So it's 10 years later and I'm still re-recording this. We're here on the second floor, so here we go. We're up here on the second floor of the store. And so yeah, I think we're gonna get the this one. We're gonna try to call this one and see which one of these will come. Yeah, I think pause to read. There's your instructions. So yeah, 10 years later and we are recording this. So this one is coming. Here it is. We're just gonna point this down because there may be somebody on it. Estoy en el segundo piso. So. No hay nadie acá. Stopping. ¿Baja?
Sube.
Ah. Alright, we're gonna go up to 2. And these elevators are still the same. So yeah, the panel is a little bit loose, as you can see. Really nice Otis Gen2 elevator. Hello, here are your fixtures and the indicator. And we're gonna go down to 0 and then we're gonna end it there. So there's your Otis nameplate. And we're just running this one because I think the store is a little bit busy right now, so pause to read that. And here at 0. Right, I think for some reason that one wouldn't come, so we're here on the main floor now. So, alright, well, there it goes, and that's it.